Once upon a time, in a far, far kingdom, a boy lived is go to a party at night time. When she visit the princess, they were about to kiss, but his mother and the princess' mother take them. Then when they go home, when they go home, they have dinner. Then the princess came to their house then they knocked the door. The mother of the prince opened the door. Then, hello, princess. Then excuse me, where's the prince? He's there's in the door. The third door. Okay, thank you. Then when the princess opened the door, they kissed. Then they married. The end.